and we are watching live the birds having a meeting. What are they talking about, you wonder? Well, I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, they're talking about the worms they're about to catch when they come down, 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 down to the ground and peck their little beaks and pull out that luxurious, juicy, disgusting to us worm, but delicious to them worm. Maybe that is what they're talking about. Or maybe they're talking about how scared they are. Maybe something's been after them, like a cat. Maybe there's a cat and they're discussing how to get away from the cat. Well, that's weird. My mom has ruined this. Just kidding. Anyway, we are watching the birds live at this moment, having a meeting. We shall see if they leave anytime soon. But if they don't, we will have to say farewell to the birds as we end this vlog. Anything other than the talking amongst the other birds? Anything? Any flying at all? Any flying? Well, there was a dragonfly, but that doesn't count. Anyway, I shall end this vlog on this note. Birds love worms. Like I love you. I love you all. Bye.